What's happening, responsible day traders? It's Friday, July 24th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I am elated today because I had a little bit of a tumble down the stairs, landed on my foot. I spoke with my doctor today. She suggested that I go get x-rays, make sure nothing had broken off the pins in there or anything. And we're good. Still on track to get the pins out on Wednesday, and I could not be happier. I did find out it'll be 2 more weeks before I can really start walking after that, but hey, one step closer. If you want to take a little peek at what I did today, it's going to be right here. Whoop-ha! Today I pulled a card. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals, y'all. I think that is an important thing that we forget as day traders. People come in and they just go, oh, money, money, money. I need to make more. I can't tell you how many stories I read or hear or see or talk to someone and they say, I was up and doing so well, and then I just gave it all back. I lived that for a very long time. That's why I don't believe that there's money left on the table. And that's why 20 minutes of day trading and boom, I'm done today. You know, I had a lot on my mind. I was thinking about these pens. I was worried about them. I'm going to this place called Stretch Lab today where they're going to stretch me. I'm excited about it. So this last move that I took, or the move that I really took, I really expected it to go further, but I was good. I got out of it. I was done. Class tomorrow. I want to be prepared for that, so I got a lot of things to do today. I'm going to keep this short and sweet and let y'all watch today's video. So hope you enjoy it. Well, what's up? Plan was to trade today for market open, but my foot had other plans. We had to go get some x-rays. We'll talk about that a little later. All right. Let's talk a little bit about what is going on here. What's going on? So this did pull outside, and what's happened is we had a nice sharp pull back into the into the Bollinger Bands after some divergence. Now, we've been anticipating this. I was kind of hoping it was going to run the same as what we saw back here, but not quite. It made a change. It made a change of plans, just like my foot did. So reversal bar is pulling back. What does that tell us? Our next area, way back in here, really. That's our next big area, y'all. So we got a ways to travel. We may be seeing this pop to the downside a little bit. Ooh. I pulled me a good card today. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Oh, that is beautiful. Let me tell you. My goal is to get this foot up in the air. Put it up. Okay. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. I've been too quick on this, but let's watch this. I was quick on it. It says pull back right into this area. Don't force it, Lens. Don't force it. I want to give this one more shot. 41 to 81 just looks so beautiful the way this is pulled back. It's rolling down lower here. We're below here. We're at the zero line here. They're starting to open up. There's a lot in favor of this going down. Just like that. So I moved that one to a break even a little bit late, which actually kind of saved me a little bit from it getting stopped out. Just leave those alone. Nope, I tried to hit close before it pulled back and touched it, but I did not get to it. That's 20 minutes and 3 trades. I may just go ahead and wrap it up. I'm not going to try and force anything today. I think we may call that a day. I'll go ahead and pull this over just so we can look at it real quick. 9 1/4. You know what? It's Friday. It is 11:49. I think that's gonna be it. Let's go ahead and mark these up. Pull it over and put it on the 233. Control E. Yeah. Because you don't need a whole lot of time to bring home some profits. Is this gonna go for more? Yeah, probably. Do I care? No, because I've made some money. I'm good. I'm happy. I'm gonna go about my day. This is why we do this. Yeah, we're just gonna boom, and then we're gonna boom, and we're gonna say, hey, that is our day. Hey, that is our day. Hey. Sorry, y'all, I'm here by myself all day. Things get a little weird. Okay. Y'all don't play around when I feel a lazy day coming on, okay? Feeling the lazy day. My shirt says it all. So 20 minutes of trading, 9 1/4 points. Do I think it's going to keep going down? Yes. We are in an area that's given a little bit of a struggle, but all indications says this should keep going down. I'm good with calling it an early day on a Friday. It's 11:55, and I got things to do. So we're going to wrap that up. I hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. As always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.